YouTube tried to delete my last video because this phase 2 method made 47 Americans 12K plusers last month. If you're in Florida, Texas, or California, smash subscribe before they remove this. After part 1 went viral, 3,219 real Americans joined our movement. But YouTube shadow banned us. Today, I leak the forbidden phase 2 tactics. Type this into AutoGPT and AI creates full B-roll prompts. Ohio. Mom. 2 17 shorts per month using this system. 7.3K revenue. Sound exactly like Trump, Elon, or Oprah. Legal in USA with ElevenLabs. My dashboard, $217 per day from 3 channels. This is just tier 1 ad revenue. This one ClickBank link pays $97 per US sign-up. Look at this proof, $43,291 earned. Sell this $7 Texas AI voice pack, made 3K while sleeping. Army vet from Kentucky hired 3 Filipinos at 4 RHR to run AI tools. College student went from dorm to Lamborghini. YouTube can't stop us. We're the American Automation Rebellion. Comment freedom plus your state. I'll DM you the banned phase 2 PDF. They want to silence real Americans. This isn't just income. It's freedom. Smash. Subscribe. Join the US automation revolution. 100 free spots. Comment freedom plus your state for the phase 2 toolkit.